I'm going to be unboxing the Veseys bulbs that I received in the mail today as a gift from my daughter, and we will open them up and show you taking them out of the box. Comes with a growing guide, an article on the gift of tulips, and other information about bulbs and appreciation notes and so on. Another book on their spring 2016 catalog. The invoice, which was a gift from our daughter, for 3 Casablanca lilies, 3 bulbs, and 3 Stargazer lily bulbs. There's another loose piece of paper here, which is a thank you for your order. We appreciate your business, and it was signed by Peppy. Paper packaging. Bulbs in what appears to be sawdust. These are the lily stargazers. I don't want to take them out of the packaging at the moment, but about the size of a golf ball, a little larger than a golf ball in one case. There's the very nicely packaged and sealed stargazers. The similarly packed, nicely packed Casablanca lilies. These bulbs are larger, larger than a golf ball, smaller than a tennis ball. Look forward to planting these. The shipment arrived on time. Very excited about planting them and seeing the results next year. We're going to be planting them in British Columbia in the fall of 2015, ready for success in 2016. Thank you to Stephanie, our daughter, for the gift.